Starring Entertainment.
Bobby.
We're just introduce them.
Good afternoon, Robert Rakitina from the Manila Bulletin.
Sir, may
Oh,
Ay, abot ba?
kay Mr. Aljur muna.
There you go.
Sir, what made you say yes sa endorsement na ito?
Well, syempre, unang-una, blessings siya. Diba? And, yung nakita ko yung product nila. Tagalog na lang ha.
Yes, okay.
It got my curiosity. Sabi ko, bakit ganito yung design niya? Bakit ganyan yung itsura niya? Elegance. Umpisa pa lang, mapapansin mo siya. Tapos, merong curious ako, ba't ganun yung design? But once you tried it, yung inupuan ko, and you will see talaga na it's made for talagang pinag-isipan nila. And it brings a different kind of feeling of comfort na hindi ko nararamdaman sa ibang furniture, to be honest. That's why I said yes. Especially that chair. Nakikita natin yan.
First time mo lang nakita itong video na to?
Yeah.
So, anong pakiramdam?
Yun lang, kasi I'm happy. Kasi ako dahil finally,
This is the first time na makapag-endorse ako ng furnitures.
Hello. This is the first time na makapag-endorse ako ng furnitures. And as a grown man, yan yung mga hilig namin. Sarap mamili ng mga furnitures. And I'm glad and thankful na nakapag-endorse pa ako ng isang brand sakto sa atin.
Okay, last question. Kaya lang escape na sa orders. Bakit po, Guy, ang napili nating endorser sa furniture na po? Usually, babae, furniture, pero lalaki pong naisipan ninyong endorser list.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, we have a pool of celebrities who would be endorsing the brand and the furniture line. Basically, usually tama po kayo, babae. Pero kasi nakita namin yung image kapag lalaki yung nagdala. Look at the video. So makikita nyo yung touch. Royalty chair, actually it's my own design. So makikita nyo dito, actually these are just some of the view, and this journey is exciting for us eh. Kapag kasi guy like Aljur, yung dating kasi ng royalty chair, iba sa babae, iba din yung dating sa lalaki. So it gives you the royalty image talaga. So like that. Ito yung actually. So and halimbawa itong mga, actual namin to, itong mga resin, luxury resin table, so center tables, Nara made with Nara wood, so pure yan, solid. Kaya kami, naka-high-end po talaga si Luxus Aesthetica. So there's a niche market for us, and Nara kasi represents parang strength, diba? So, men represent strength. So, yun yung inuna namin, kaya nauna si Aljur talaga.
So may mga in-coming weeks, months, or may mga endorsers para susunod?
Of course, there will be a lot actually. So, ano ka lang din to, I would like to mention this to everyone that the goal of Luxus Aesthetica is to, actually, the major goal is to be the leading luxury furniture brand in the Philippines. Kasi lahat ng materials namin dito, though some materials kasi wala sa Philippines, so you have to import. But basically, everything is originated in the Philippines to also support the local market. So, pero premium. Kasi if you would actually do a research, before we put up the brand, we launched the brand, nag-check kami sino magiging competition ng high-end furniture brand that actually is based in the Philippines. Actually, no one. Meron tayo, galing ibang bansa. Why couldn't we? Tayo number one supplier ng Nara. So why couldn't we be the high-end furniture supplier? That is actually originated in the Philippines. So yun, kaya tayo.
Okay, last question na Aljur. Aljur, ang pinaka-type mo na piece of furniture na meron ka na galing sa Luxus Aesthetica?
Ang masasabi ko yung royalty chair. Yung makikita nyo sa video, specifically that one. Kahit anong makikita nyo naman, experiment ko na yung upo ko dyan. Kahit saan, it will give you that feel ng elegance. And, well, as a man kasi, when we go home, diba, sometimes what we need is peace and that kind of environment na makakapag makapag-isip tayo, makapag-create tayo. So that share gives that feel, especially the flow when you're creating something. You study script, when you review your finances, you review your planning mo sa sa buhay mo, gives you that kind of peace and flow.
Congratulations sa
thank you. Salamat.
Thanks so much, and we have here also, sir.
Yung question ko po is for our... kasi ito po, yung mga ganito pong mga products, this is for a lifetime kung mga pangmatagalan. Hindi siya tulad ng ibang mga brands na kapag in-endorse ng isang artist, yung ginamit lang, tapos pwedeng palitan after. Ito kasi, this is a thinking na kapag binili mo, matagalan po ang gamit. Yun po ba yung pinaka, vision po ng inyo? Kumbaga, gagawa kayo ng isang creation na yung sa for a lifetime din sa ibang sa mga consumers.
Yes, of
Hello? Yes, of course, value for money. Gusto talaga natin bawat product, tatagal talaga siya. So, sample na lang itong mga resin tables. Quality talaga siya. And makikita niya napaka-unique ng design. So aside from its uniqueness, dun sa design niya, talagang napakatibay. Aabot siya ng mga generations talaga. So worth it yung ilalabas na money ng mga customers.
I-add ko, actually, ako kasi, when we, kasi diba, yung ibang media aware naman na we have Aromagicare, we have Wide International Film Production, we have Dear Claws. This is the newest venture. Nakakatuwa kasi kahit bago itong ano na to, nagma-micromanage kami ngayon. Kasi even yung pagpunta, gusto ko ma-check kasi we have a major supplier from Ilocos Norte, ng mga Nara, ng mga Mahogany, ng mga Acacia. Nakakatuwa, biniro ko nga siya kasi yung mga Nara po natin, most of them are century old. So, macro po talaga yung supply natin. And may joke nga ako hindi kasi umuurong kasi yung mga century old kahit tumagal ng decades. So, kaya biniro ko siya, actually, yung mga woods natin, yung decades and years uurong, pero yung woods natin, hindi uurong. So, joke ko siya, hindi uurong yung woods kasi aral siya, century old mostly. At hindi lang ito yan, we have dining tables, we have a lot actually. Ito lang yung nakikita nyo ngayon.
Saan po makikita mga products po?
We will be opening warehouses here in Quezon City, also in Batangas, because we have businesses there, in Bataan as well, in our own resort in Aromagicare Grandeur Hills. Makikita din po doon. And a lot, we are aspiring to open about 25 actually warehouses and showrooms in the Philippines, starting next year.
That's po for Jur. Meron ka na bang mga piece na nandun na sa house mo? And then, house, kumusta ambience? Kumusta ang, kumbaga yung nararamdaman mo kung meron mo?
As I've said, it gives you that flow, diba? Kasi bilang isang tao, meron kasi tayong mga spot sa bahay na favorite. Bilang isa lalaki, meron akong spot sa music room. So that's where I go every time na galing ako sa trabaho and I have to think mag-isa. It gives you that feeling of peace, diba? And elegance. Tapos, specifically for this furniture, diba? Binibigay sa akin yung flow of creativity. Inilis mismo yung flow lang. I guess, diba? So you can tuloy-tuloy lang. Kasi minsan pag nasa isang nakaupo ka, minsan it doesn't give you that flow, parang hindi ka nadi-distract, yung feeling. Ito nasa pakiramdam na talaga. Andun ka lang lagi sa ambience.
Ibig sabihin, busy ka na ngayon. Dami mo ng products.
Thank God. Yes. Yes. And this is one of dumating sa akin best.
Hi, Aljur.
Hello.
Grabe na-mention mo. So, yung mga viral mong singing video, nakanara, ano ka pa? Yung pala yung upuan mo.
No, actually, hindi pa natin nailalabas. Kasi today pa lang siya ni-launch. Pero, ni-stock ko pa siya. Kasi gusto ko siyang makita ulit, makapili ulit para malagay doon sa music ko. Hindi ko pa napapakita din sa part niya. Thank you for mentioning yung sa music ko, yung singing natin.
Sample daw, gugulong si Ana sa EBS. Sample. Ito na nandiyan na yung furniture. Ipasample mo na sa amin. while sitting on the furniture.
Chorus na.
I don't mind spending every day. Sige na, Aljo!
Seryoso ba?
Seryoso! Ito yung opening video namin.
Opening video.
Nahiya si Alger.
Sige na yan. Go, go.
Lines lang, lines.
Bigla naman ako.
Yay!
I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain.
Wow.
Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved.
Beautiful! Congrats! Sorry, on the spot ka. Diba? Pero ito nakatulong yung Nara. Naging K1 mo. O, diba? I love it.
What's good about sa Nara, ang ganda ng bounce back nito when it comes to sa music. Yung sound ng wood, yung sa echo niya, yung ang tawag ito, acoustic sound na ano. So abangan niyo sa music at yung magiging